Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your blocked users on the Telegram app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Telegram app. And here it usually opens up in the chat where we have our conversations. From here we have to swipe to the right, tap on settings, and then tap on privacy and security. Now, here at the fourth option from the top, under the security section, is blocked users. If you tap on this, then we can check what kind of users we have blocked. It's going to be a list here. And if we haven't blocked anyone so far, then we can just tap on block user and select the chat or user that we want to block. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.